Hello everyone, welcome back to Comedy Cooking. So in this video, I'm actually gonna show you meal number one in order to lose weight. Okay, so again, welcome back to Comedy Cooking. In this channel, you'll see all type of recipes, lose weight, gain weight recipes, meal plans, etc. So let's get started. So first, what I'm gonna show you here. So what you have here for meal number one, which is for breakfast, it is also generally known as GM diet. So not completely a GM diet, but also a little bit of GM diet formula. So first you're gonna take one full size of apple. You're gonna cut it. One. So the reason we have added apple is just because for the fiber content, and also it has lot of nutrition in order to support your gut health. And also this is actually very good. I'm going to show you like this. For losing weight, daily an apple keep the doctor away. So next fruit what I'm going to show you, which you're going to eat, is orange. The reason I have chosen orange and apple together, this is just the meal number one. Okay, so meal number two I'm going to release on the other video. So this is orange. Orange is good in vitamin C. It is also nourishes your skin, and also it is really has a lot of antioxidants which supports your skin and also your internal organs. So make sure that you add two fruit. So the two fruits which I have chosen for meal number one is apple and also the orange. Okay, the last, but it's not a meal, this is more important in order to lose weight. I'm going to explain you. Half liter of jeera water, very hot. You're gonna put a little 1 tablespoon of jeera in it. Half liter of water. You're gonna eat this simultaneously. You're gonna drink this. The reason I've choose jeera in water is because whenever you go with like low carb diet, you have more chances of getting gastric. So it is always good you drink 1 glass of jeera water in order to avoid that gastric. So just boil the water. You don't need to put it directly in the boiling water. If you want it, you can. If not, pour it in a glass and just add 1 tablespoon of jeera, and so leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and the color of the water gets changed, and there you go. So 1 apple, 2 oranges, and 1 glass of jeera water, which is almost 500 ml, half liter. You're gonna eat this as a meal number one once you wake up from your bed, and see you on the other video, meal number two. Until then, take care. Bye. Love you from Comedy Cooking Channel.